Hey everybody, my name is Branton Cerro, ISSA's Chief Global Education Officer, and I am so excited for 2024. I took a look back at the end of last year and I was just so humbled by the success that so many of our members have had over the last 12 months. And quite honestly, we all set New Year's resolutions or goals for the following year, and I'm one of them. But I thought we could make a little twist this year. And the twist that I wanted to present is more of a challenge. So what if you just simply paused and you said to yourself, how can I make an impact in 12 months, 24 months, or even further out on my business? So it got me thinking a little bit more, and my resolution was to be immersed in the learning, to grow through learning. I preach it every day here at ISSA, but I wasn't doing it myself. So I wanted to extend a challenge to everybody that's going to see this video. And the challenge is pretty tough for some people because we don't want to dedicate the time to learning. So I thought to combine the challenge with 2024. The challenge that I'd like to present to everybody is spend at least 2,024 minutes learning. Take webinars, take some courses, go to a trade show or two. But I promise you that the information you are about to be engaged with and learn about will ignite the flames of innovation for your future and your organization. So I invite you to work with ISSA. We want to support you in your professional development, your career journey, and whatever goals that you have for your organization. We're here to support you. So visit us at issa.com or contact us via email at cmi@issa.com. One of our educational specialists will support you through your professional growth. We're in it together. You're not alone. Let's learn, let's grow, and let's innovate. I wish you all a successful 2024.